Hello, this is Trisha from Sandy and Otto, and I have a Thredup kit that is about to go live. And so I am going to share with you the screen and adjusting prices on a new kit. So on this screen right now, we have my kit number, which is a unique number assigned to each kit. We have the potential earnings of $148.11, and that is based on the initial prices that Thredup has assigned to each item. I have a $10.99 return assurance, as 4 items were not accepted, and I do want to get those 4 items back. So I am okay paying the $10.99 to get those items back. Now that 10.99 is taken out of your payouts for each time an item has sold. So if I sell an item that is 10.99 or less, then just a portion of that 10.99 will be taken out based on the price that I receive for my payout. And then as that builds to get past the 10.99, then that's actually when I start receiving payouts. Excuse me, I have a little tickle in my throat. So this kit was sent in on June the June 23rd was when the kit was sent in. It was received by Thredup on June 30th. It is now November 16th, so it took 4.5 months to get this kit processed. The couple of the items that weren't accepted were tank tops that I had sent in because we were heading into summer months. Now, this kit processed at 11:30 p.m. my time, and I did not receive or notice that it had. Now, I did get an email from Thredup, and I do go in and check daily on my kits. You have a 12-hour window when a kit is about to go live. So I have 2 hours and 53 minutes left before this kit goes live into the bidding process. In the first 12 hours that this is counting down right now, that's the window I have to adjust prices before it goes into the bidding. Bidding is allowed for another 12 hours, and then prices are able to be adjusted again before the kit goes live, which again, I believe that is another 12 hours. So right now we're looking at the price here that Thredup has initially assigned to each item that they think is the most likely price that an item will sell. Here is the payout percentage, and you can see it's different based on the dollar amount. And then here is the payout accordingly. So we have $27.99, 19% payout. $26, it goes to 18%. You can see that if it was a $26.99, it would be 18.5, as it's 28 down here, 99, and the percentage is 19.5. The 60 and 90 days selling windows have to do with the fact that they have lists that they keep track of, and some items, the more mall type brands, lower end type brands, get a 60-day window, where some of the maybe more of like the fast fashion type brands, and then some of the more higher end brands receive a 90-day selling window. They just maintain that list, and they're the ones that keep track of which ones fall on that list. I do keep a spreadsheet where I keep track of all of the items and their starting price, so that I have a list of what I sent into Thredup, and then I can make sure that all of the items are on there, and then I keep track of the starting price of all of the items. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to click in this area, and we are going to then see what I can adjust the prices to. So $4.99 is the least amount, and then it will reflect what the highest amount is. Now, I will go in and I will adjust all of these to the highest prices to start off with. I will then at later dates at different increments go in and adjust the prices, lowering them, sometimes going higher again. It depends. And there is no direct science. It is all just kind of based on kind of your gut feeling about the selling of an item. So here that I have adjusted this price up to what it says is the maximum price. Please note that increasing your list price decreases likelihood of selling. Our smart pricing algorithm choose this price based on years of historical sales. Now that's true. So this may or may not sell at this price, and I may eventually lower the price to what I'm comfortable with selling it, depending on the payout. So I'm going to save this. Now, this is a London Times dress that is a size 10. I think that's a really good competitive size, a very desirable size. So that dress may stay higher for a while. Up next is an Ann Taylor dress, and this is a size 8. And I'm going to click on here again, and we're going to see what the maximum price is. So here it is, 102.99 is my maximum price. And again, just for our purposes, I'm going to go ahead and just adjust everything to the maximum price. And then I will go in and potentially do some other adjusting. Here is a J brand pair of jeans, and these are a size 27-inch waist. These can go up to 156.99, and again, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I don't think they're going to sell at that price, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust the price anyway, just for our purposes, so I can see what the maximum is. This one is a pure jill, like a hoodie cardigan type sweater. And this is a size small, and I was able to adjust that up to 47.99. Here is a pair of Not Your Daughter's jeans, linen pants, and these are I have two pairs of Not Your Daughter's jeans, so I got to make sure I grab in the right ones. Now, these are a size 0 petite. Um, these may be a little harder sell. And again, I can adjust these up to 142.99, which I will, and then adjust them accordingly. Now, Thredup does get a lot of people with different sizes, so the chances of somebody seeing this and wanting this, I think, are highly increased by being on Thredup. Here is a Susie Chin for Maggie Boutique, and this dress is a size 8, and we'll see what the maximum is, 118.99. I'm going to save that. Here is a pair of Chico's cargo pants. And these cargo pants are a size, they're a Chico's size 2, which makes them a size, and I'm not going to be able to remember off the top of my head if that's a medium or a large. I think it might be a large. Here is a Talbot's wool skirt, and this is a size 8. 102.99 is the maximum on that. And I think I forgot to mention the Chico's is a maximum price of 94.99. Here I have a really cute pair of Christopher blue jeans. Um, these are starting out at 27.99, and I am going to adjust them up to 113.99. And these are a size 12. And they are a really cute pattern. I know it's really hard to see in here. They are a really cute pattern. Here is a Lucky Brand long sleeve blouse that they have at $23.99. This is a size small, um, and I can adjust it up to $71.99. Here is a really pretty pair of yellow Chico's jeans, and they are a size 2, 2.5, in Chico sizes. They have them at $15.99, and I can adjust these up to $67.99. Here is a Jones, New York dress that is a size 16. They have it $22.99. I can adjust it to $78.99. There's a Ralph Lauren dress, or Lauren by Ralph Lauren dress, and this is a size extra small. They have it at $42.99. I can adjust to $123.99. Talbot's khaki pants. These are a size 16. They have it at $12.99. I can adjust to $63.99. I'm not sure how to pronounce this Maruka, a shoulder bag that they have at $32.99, which is not a horrible price. Let's see, I can go up to $94.99. J. Crew casual dress. Again, this is a little more summery. This is a size 6. They have it at $36.99. I can go to $93.99. Here is a Sold Lab jeans. These are a size small. They have them at $22.99. I can go to $94.99. Red Engine jeans. These are a very dark wash. They are a 29-inch waist. They have them at $26.99. I can go to $133.99. Donna Morgan dress. This is a size 2. They have it at $24.99. I can go to $75.99. Here's a Calvin Klein jeans top, and this is a size 1X. They have it at $9.99, and I can go to $23.99. Ann Taylor Loft dress. This is a size 2. They have it at $16.99. I can go to $55.99. Here's the other Not Your Daughter's jeans. These are a size 14. They have them at $27.99, and I can go to $113.99. There's a Chico's skirt, and this is a size 1. They have it at $12.99. I can go to $54.99. Banana Republic dress. This is a size large. They have it $21.99. I can go to $55.99. Here's a Chico's jacket. And this jacket is a size 0, so I believe that's small. They have it at $23.99. I can go to $102.99. I'm not even going to be able to know how to pronounce this swimsuit top. I do apologize. This is a size 12, and they have it at $18.99. I can go to $65.99. Here is a Michael B. Limited petite cocktail dress that is a size 10. They have it at $31.99. I can go to $94.99. A DKNY sleeveless top. This is a size extra small. They have it $23.99. I can go to $94.99. It's a Rockin' Republic pair of jeans. These are a size medium. Oh, they are more of like a jegging style. They have it $19.99. I can go to $69.99. Lauren by Ralph Lauren jeans, or Lauren by Ralph Lauren top that is a size large. They had it $19.99. I can go to $63.99. Here is a bell